The moment the gates begin to glide open, you instantly understand why this is the most luxurious mega mansion we've ever filmed. A private driveway stretches endlessly ahead, framed by sculpted hedges, towering palms, and soft architectural lighting that feels more like a five-star resort than a private residence. Every inch of the approach is designed to build anticipation, and by the time the mansion finally comes into full view, it's impossible not to stop and stare. This estate doesn't just sit on the land, it commands it. The scale is breathtaking. Clean, powerful lines of contemporary architecture blend seamlessly with timeless European influences, creating a residence that feels both modern and eternal. Floor-to-ceiling glass reflects the sky like a mirror, while natural stone, imported marble, and custom metalwork give the exterior sense of permanence and prestige. This isn't a house built for trends. This is a legacy property. As you step out of the car, there's a quietness that surrounds the estate, broken only by the sound of flowing water from the grand fountain, positioned perfectly at the center of the circular motor court. The air feels different here, calmer, richer, exclusive. The main entrance rises dramatically in front of you, with massive double doors crafted from rare hardwood and accented with brushed bronze detailing. These doors alone took over a year to design and fabricate, and they set the tone for everything waiting inside. The doors open, and you're immediately greeted by a volume of space that's hard to comprehend. The grand foyer stretches upward through multiple levels, crowned by a custom chandelier that looks like floating art, cascading light from above. Sunlight pours in through towering glass panels, illuminating polished marble floors that reflect every detail with mirror-like clarity. The feeling here is not just luxury, it's arrival. Straight ahead, a sculptural staircase sweeps upward like a work of modern art. Its floating steps appear almost weightless, framed by glass railings and soft integrated lighting. To the side, a private glass elevator waits silently, offering effortless access to every level of the home. This mansion was designed not just to impress, but to move seamlessly, quietly, and comfortably. As you move deeper into the home, the scale continues to unfold. The main living area opens up into a breathtaking open-concept space where indoor and outdoor living blend flawlessly. Floor-to-ceiling sliding glass walls disappear at the touch of a button, revealing panoramic views of the estate grounds. From this vantage point, you can see the infinity edge pool stretching toward the horizon, reflecting the sky so perfectly it almost disappears. The living room itself is centered around a statement fireplace carved from a single slab of rare stone. It's bold, elegant, and undeniably powerful. Custom-designed furniture fills the space, each piece selected specifically for this home. Nothing here is off the shelf. Every texture, every fabric, every finish has been curated to create a feeling of understated opulence. Adjacent to the living space, the formal dining area feels like something straight out of a luxury hotel in Paris or Dubai. A table long enough to seat more than 20 guests sits beneath a dramatic chandelier that glows softly in the evening. Floor-to-ceiling wine walls surround the space, climate-controlled and illuminated, displaying hundreds of rare vintages like a private museum. This is a room built for unforgettable evenings, where conversations last late into the night. The kitchen is, without question, one of the most impressive we've ever seen. Designed for both world-class entertaining and everyday living, it features dual oversized islands topped with book-matched marble. Professional-grade appliances are seamlessly integrated behind custom cabinetry, creating a clean, minimalist aesthetic without sacrificing performance. Hidden pantries, a private chef's kitchen, and discreet service corridors ensure that hosting here feels effortless. Natural light floods the space from every angle, and even the smallest details, like the hardware, the lighting temperature, and the texture of the cabinetry, have been obsessively perfected. This is a kitchen where design meets absolute functionality at the highest level. Moving through the home, the transition from public to private spaces is beautifully executed. Hallways feel like gallery corridors, with curated art installations and subtle lighting guiding you forward. Every turn reveals a new perspective, a new view, a new moment of visual drama. The primary suite is not just a bedroom, it's an entire private residence within the mansion. As the doors open, you're met with a space that feels calm, expansive, and incredibly refined. The bed is positioned perfectly to face floor-to-ceiling glass, offering uninterrupted views of the grounds and the horizon beyond. Mornings here begin with natural light pouring in, and nights end under a canopy of stars. A private sitting area, complete with a fireplace and custom lounge furniture, creates the perfect space to unwind. The materials here are softer, warmer, more intimate, while still maintaining that unmistakable sense of luxury. The primary bathroom is nothing short of a spa retreat. Massive slabs of marble line the walls, while a freestanding soaking tub sits like a sculpture at the center of the room. Dual rain showers with full body jets offer a resort-level experience, and smart glass allows the space to shift from transparent to private instantly. Every element here is designed for relaxation, indulgence, and privacy. The walk-in closets are larger than most apartments, custom-built with illuminated shelving, glass display cases, and seating areas. This isn't just storage, it's a boutique experience, designed to showcase an elite wardrobe in the most elegant way possible. As you continue exploring the mansion, it becomes clear that this home was designed for every lifestyle imaginable. A private cinema awaits, featuring tiered seating, acoustic wall panels, and a screen large enough to rival commercial theaters. The sound system is tuned to perfection, creating an immersive experience that pulls you completely into the film. Nearby, a full-scale entertainment lounge opens up, complete with a custom bar, billiards area, and floor-to-ceiling glass overlooking the pool. This space effortlessly transforms from a relaxed hangout into a high-energy event venue, making it perfect for hosting on any scale. And this is only the beginning. Every hallway leads to another surprise. A wellness wing featuring a fully equipped gym with panoramic views, a private yoga studio, and a luxury spa complete with sauna, steam room, and massage suites. A temperature-controlled indoor pool glows softly, creating a peaceful retreat that feels worlds away from the outside. Outside, the estate becomes even more extraordinary. The infinity pool stretches endlessly, lined with private cabanas, fire features, and lounge areas designed for both sun-soaked afternoons and glamorous evening gatherings. The landscaping is immaculate, blending natural beauty with architectural precision. As the sun begins to set, the entire property transforms. Integrated lighting highlights the architecture, the trees, and the water features, turning the mansion into a glowing masterpiece against the night sky. From every angle, this home feels cinematic, powerful, and unforgettable. And as you stand here, taking it all in, one thing becomes crystal clear. This is not just the most luxurious mega mansion we've ever filmed. This is a statement. This is what unlimited vision looks like. Beyond the main living spaces, the mansion reveals an entirely new layer of design, one that prioritizes privacy, comfort, and individuality for every guest who enters this home. The guest suites are not treated as secondary spaces. Each one feels like a luxury hotel suite, thoughtfully positioned to offer privacy, views, and its own unique atmosphere. As you step into the first guest suite, the scale immediately stands out. Floor-to-ceiling windows frame a perfectly landscaped garden, while soft natural light fills the room throughout the day. The materials shift subtly here, warmer woods, textured fabrics, and calming neutral tones, creating an environment that feels welcoming yet undeniably refined. The ensuite bathroom rivals high-end spas, complete with stone-lined walls, rainfall showers, floating vanities, and ambient lighting that adapts to the time of day. Each guest suite throughout the mansion follows the same philosophy but with its own personality. Some overlook the infinity pool, others open onto private terraces, and a few offer elevated views of the surrounding landscape that feel almost cinematic. No two rooms are identical, yet every detail feels cohesive, intentional, and elevated. Moving further, the mansion transitions into spaces designed for entertainment at a grand scale. A private lounge opens up with double-height ceilings and panoramic glass walls, creating an environment that feels both open and intimate. This is a space designed for conversation, for celebration, for unforgettable moments shared with friends and family. A sculptural bar anchors the room, crafted from polished stone and brushed metal, illuminated softly from within like a piece of functional art. Hidden behind seamless panels, a professional-grade catering kitchen ensures that events can run smoothly without ever interrupting the flow of the home. Staff can move discreetly, maintaining privacy while delivering five-star service. This mansion doesn't just look luxurious, it operates like a private resort. Descending into the lower level, the atmosphere shifts dramatically. The lighting becomes moodier, the textures richer, the space is more immersive. This is where the estate truly separates itself from anything we've ever filmed before. An underground automotive gallery stretches out like a modern museum. Behind climate-controlled glass walls, a curated collection of exotic and classic cars is displayed under precision lighting. The polished floors reflect each silhouette perfectly, turning every vehicle into a sculptural centerpiece. This isn't a garage, it's a sanctuary for automotive art. Adjacent to the display, a private lounge allows owners and guests to relax among the collection, surrounded by leather, stone, and soft ambient sound. Nearby, a private bowling alley emerges, designed with sleek lines, custom seating, and dramatic lighting. It feels intimate yet extravagant, offering a playful contrast to the elegance of the spaces above. Just beyond, a professional gaming and simulation room brings cutting-edge technology into the heart of the mansion, complete with racing simulators, virtual reality stations, and immersive sound systems. The lower level also houses a world-class wine cellar, carved into stone and maintained at the perfect temperature and humidity. Rows upon rows of rare vintages line the walls, each bottle carefully catalogued and displayed. A private tasting room sits at the center, featuring a long stone table, soft lighting, and seating designed for slow, thoughtful evenings spent appreciating the finest collections in the world. As you continue exploring, the mansion's attention to wellness becomes impossible to ignore. A full spa wing unfolds with a sense of calm and tranquility. The air feels warmer here, scented subtly with natural aromas. A salt room glows softly, offering a meditative retreat. The sauna and steam rooms are finished in rich wood and stone, creating an authentic, restorative experience. Private massage suites line the corridor, each one designed to feel like a luxury retreat hidden within the home. An indoor pool stretches across the space, illuminated from below, its surface reflecting light onto the ceiling like rippling art. Floor-to-ceiling glass reveals a sunken courtyard, bringing natural light and greenery into this subterranean level. Even underground, the mansion refuses to feel closed off or confined. Returning upstairs, the flow of the home leads toward more intimate family spaces. A secondary living room offers a relaxed environment, perfect for quiet evenings or casual gatherings. Plush seating, soft textures, and carefully curated artwork create a sense of warmth without sacrificing elegance. This is a space designed not to impress, but to comfort. Children's suites and family bedrooms continue the theme of luxury with personality. These rooms are playful yet refined, offering custom-built features, private bathrooms, and thoughtful design touches that grow with the family over time. Even these spaces feel intentional, elevated, and enduring. One of the most breathtaking moments in the home comes as you step onto the upper-level bridge, suspended above the main living space. From here, you gain a new perspective of the mansion's scale and symmetry. Light pours in from every angle, and the architecture reveals itself in layers: glass, stone, metal, and light all working together in perfect balance. At the far end of the upper level, a private executive office awaits. Designed for focus and inspiration, this space features floor-to-ceiling bookshelves, a statement desk carved from solid wood, and expansive views that stretch far beyond the estate. It's a place where deals are made, ideas are born, and vision takes shape. But the journey doesn't end here. As evening approaches, the mansion begins to transform once again. Smart lighting systems gradually shift the tone of each space, warming the interiors and highlighting architectural details. Curtains glide silently into place, fire features ignite across the property, and the estate takes on an entirely new personality, one defined by atmosphere, elegance, and quiet power. Outside, the terraces come alive. Multiple outdoor lounges are arranged around the pool and gardens, each with its own mood. Some feature sunken fire pits, others open-air dining areas, and a few private corners designed for quiet reflection under the stars. The outdoor kitchen rivals those found in luxury resorts, fully equipped for large-scale entertaining. From every vantage point, the mansion feels endless. Yet despite its size, it never feels overwhelming. Every space flows naturally into the next, guided by thoughtful design and intuitive layout. This is a home built not just to be seen, but to be lived in at the highest level imaginable. And as night fully settles in, standing beneath the illuminated architecture and glowing water features, one thing becomes undeniable. This estate isn't just luxurious. It's a world of its own.